Be careful.
Hey guys, welcome to Chef LeBron. Today we are going to make candied sweet potato. In Korean, goguma bas or goguma matang. Goguma bas is a common snack in Korea, especially for a dessert. And we just had our lunch and it's time for dessert. Let's begin.
Set your pan to medium-high heat and fill your pan with oil halfway. The oil has reached about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start adding the sweet potatoes. That was one large sweet potato cut into some jagged pieces like that, and we're going to wait till this gets golden brown. It's not there yet, but you do want to move around the sweet potatoes as you're cooking them. It's gotten golden brown, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to poke it, and it is soft, so it's ready to come out. So you're going to take a few tablespoons worth of oil from the pan. Put in this pan. Coat the pan. Add 1/3 cup of sugar, and don't stir it. So it's starting to melt, and we're just gonna keep waiting for it to get a caramelized color to it. Add in the sweet potatoes and get it coated all over. Take a plate that was greased with oil and start to take the sweet potatoes out. They're like little candied apples, but candied sweet potatoes. I'm gonna let you do the honors of taking a sweet potato with the tongs and putting it in the cold water and seeing how it tastes.
Lovely. So we're going to dump this into the cold water. Listen carefully.
Be careful.
Just tastes like candy. It's crunchy outside and very soft inside and very tasty. Look how easy to make this recipe. Hope you enjoy our recipe and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!